أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به يستقيم في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وصلى فرحا كما صليت وسلم على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Blessed climate smart greetings from President of Sam's TQLMA Club, engaged in building Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla powered and Saadah towers in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines, and Sam's AMU Tesla Gigafactory campus town in all countries of our world. Everyone can participate in our program by simply owning one share of Sam's TQLMA Club High Technology Companies of $88 to earn 5,300 PGCs, $8,800 enroll in Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business Attraction, and join us in Gulf Food Expo on February 19th. And home in Dubai, along with the golden visa. You will also have the option of owning a farmhouse in our Sam's AMU campus in 553 acres site in Dhabeji Bill Corridor, Karachi, in 163 acres dairy farm in Dallas, Texas, and in our 30 acres site in Bakersfield, California. So our project is global basically, and we are ready to delight 8 billion residents of our planet via climate smart, immunity boosting food cooked by Sam's TQLMA Club mothers in our 724 restaurant, and all healthcare professionals will be providing affordable healthcare services from our healthcare center of Sam's Wheel of Life comes to Tesla powered and Saadah towers. In Karachi, we have collaboration with Life Healthcare Services to provide affordable healthcare services to Sam's TQLMA Club members of Karachi. So let's initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart business attraction in 2024 and enjoy total quality inflation-free life in our global climate smart facilities. सारे खुशनसीब ख़वातीन हजरात बच्चे जो मकाम आज़मा में मदनी नगरा में बैतुल मुक़द्दस में करबला मोहल्ला में मुजफ्फर शरीफ में रहते हैं, हमारे अपने पास दुआ करें कि हमारी ये उम्मीद कि हम 2 बिलियन मुसलमानों को हज का फरीज़ा अदा करने के साथ उनको उसके हलाल भी मुहैया करें, ये उम्मीद हमारी बहुत जल्द तमाम हो। जो खुशनसीब ख़वातीन हजरात बच्चे हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर चुके हैं, वो बाकी लोगों को फर्दर हिस्सा मुहैया कर दें ताकि सारे लोग हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर सकें। और आप जब फर्दर हिस्सा मुहैया करेंगे तो आप 100 शेयर्स के मालिक बन जाएंगे और 1000 दिनों के अंदर अपना फार्म हाउस विथ ईसुजू ट्रक इन $1 million a डे सिटी कराची के अंदर हासिल कर सकेंगे और बेहतरीन क्वालिटी लाइफ जो है गुजार सकेंगे अपने फार्म हाउस के अंदर। तो बस ये पैगाम सब तक पहुंचाएं और सब लोगों को हमारे प्रोग्राम के अंदर शामिल करें। My name is Dr. Fadal Mirza. I required my basic education in chemical engineering from the Outdoors Engineering and Technology, with master's in chemical engineering from Maine State University, PhD in food science, municipal and environmental champagne. Did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada. Started a Procter & Gamble in Pakistan and served as associate professor of industrial engineering and management, where my MBA students converted to the Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA with the objective of re-engineering the cancer causing milk supply chain of Karachi. And today we are ready to provide affordable, climate smart milk and all food ingredients from our 553 acres SAM's AMU Tesla campus and from Sam's Apply Farm School Tesla powered and Saadah Towers, which we are building in 1,000 university campuses and farms along China-Pakistan economic corridor. My WhatsApp number is 923353770052. I'm also available on Telegram at 333-228-3257 to enable everyone to schedule a session like this to solve their individual family and business problems with money back guarantee. Shukran Jazila, thank you very much. Ibrahim. على آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.